Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a cookie banner to your Framer website. So yeah, we have two methods. I will show you both of them. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So the method number one, this method uses a Framer component that you manually trigger. It's best for basic compliance. So how we can do that? Insert with press I on your keyboard or go to the top left corner where you see insert and search for cookie banner. Many Framer kits includes a pre-made cookie bar. Now place it into here like that, for example, just like that. Now we can add this component position to fix if we want. So here under the type we can set fixed. Doesn't matter where. Basically sometimes this is more at the bottom of your page. Now select the accept button here, and then right here we have what we can do. So you have font style, variant style, and so on. Viewpoint. So yeah, like that. And as you can see, we can adjust a few settings here: trigger, banner, button, regions. So to ensure it doesn't pop up on every page, you can use like a free tool like Framer Labs cookie plugin to remember the user's click. Now the second method which we can also use is basically you can generate your script on, let's say, cookiebot, Termly, and so on. Then what you are going to do is you will copy the code from there and you will go here to the top left corner, site settings, and then you will see here custom code. If you don't have any script, you can add script, name here the script, placement where you want to do that. So paste the script into the head section, and then page, you will select page. I have just home, so I would do that once, and then code, you will paste it right here and press add, and this will add this banner to your home page. And this is pretty much how you can add a cookie banner. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next